Welcome to the world of self-publishing. It's easier than ever to share your stories and knowledge with readers worldwide. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, makes it simple. You can sell both ebooks and physical copies of your book. Best of all, you remain in control. Ebooks are digital books, perfect for readers on the go. Print on demand means physical copies are printed only when someone orders them. This saves you money and storage space. With Amazon KDP, you can reach millions of potential readers, you set your own prices and royalties, plus you have complete creative control over your work. Are you ready to embark on your publishing adventure? Let's get you set up on KDP. It's free and easy to create an account. Head over to kdp.amazon.com and click on Sign Up. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name and email address. If you have an existing Amazon account, you can use that to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll need to set up your KDP account. This includes providing your payment details and tax information. Don't worry, Amazon provides clear instructions to guide you through each step. Congratulations, you are now a member of the KDP community. Before you can publish, you need a book. This involves two key parts: writing your manuscript and designing an eye-catching cover. Your manuscript is the heart of your book. Ensure it's well-written, edited, and formatted correctly. Use a clear and easy-to-read font. Make sure your paragraphs are clear and concise. Your cover is the first impression for potential readers. It needs to grab their attention. You can design your own cover or hire a professional. If you're designing it yourself, use high-quality images and a clear, legible font. Section 4. Introducing your book to KDP. It's time to upload your book to KDP. This is an exciting step. You'll need two separate files, one for your ebook and one for your print book if you're doing print on demand. For ebooks, you'll upload a file in .mobi or dpub format. For print books, you'll need a PDF file that meets KDP specifications. KDP will guide you through filling out the book details. This includes your book title, subtitle, author name, book description, and keywords. Make sure this information accurately reflects your book and genre. Section 5. Finding the perfect price. Now let's talk pricing. You get to choose how much to charge for your ebook and print book. Research similar books in your genre to get an idea of standard pricing. For ebooks, many authors find success with prices between $2.99 and $9.99. Print books will have a higher price due to printing costs. KDP offers different royalty options. You can choose the royalty plan that best suits your needs. Section 6. Spreading the word. Congratulations, your book is live on Amazon. Now it's time to get the word out. Share your book on social media. Tell your friends, family, and your existing audience. Consider running ads on Amazon or other platforms. Engage with your readers. Respond to reviews and participate in online communities related to your book's genre. Section 7. Time to shine. Self-publishing is a journey. It's exciting and rewarding to share your work with the world. Keep writing, keep learning, and keep connecting with your readers. Your book is your creation, your story. Be proud of what you've accomplished. Now go out there and shine.